Hey, how's it going? My name is CRT93C, and today I am going to be showing you how to enable hardware acceleration on a Gigabyte motherboard, because it has a really annoying BIOS that you can't find. This is for AMD users, so any Intel people, go find something else. I'm sure there's something out there for you, but for real, I could not find many Gigabyte tutorials, so this is what it is. Okay, so to get to the BIOS, we are going to have to go to the start menu, go to the power options, and just before we press restart, hold down the shift key. Keep holding restart until you reach this screen. Once you've reached this screen, you can just let go of shift. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to troubleshoot, advanced options, UEFI firmware settings, and restart. So now we are in the BIOS for our Gigabyte. Unfortunately, I can't move it over to my main monitor, so it is smaller, so just ignore that. So what we're going to want to do is we are going to go to chipset, and we want to make sure IOMMU is enabled. If it's on auto, enable it, because it might automatically disable it, I'm not sure. Next, you want to go to MIT, Advanced Frequency Settings, Advanced CPU Settings, and then you can see here, SVM mode. Make sure that is also enabled and not on auto or disabled. For me, it was on disabled. Then, just simply hit F10 and just press Save Configuration and Exit. Now it should reboot. Insist on ultra durable. Insist on loading. I know I'm amazing at joking. But anyway, jump up. Whoa. Right, just log on as normal. Then you can just go to your virtual machine or software, and hopefully now you should be able to just start your virtual machine. And hopefully, if you've done it right, you shouldn't get an error. Okay, ignore this. This happens every time I load Ubuntu. Shut up. I might want to fix that one day. Nah, I'm sure it'll be fine. And now you should be able to watch your very high frame rated, high quality videos on Ubuntu. Because everyone does that. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.